Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Android X86 ISO and creating the Virtualbox VM so you can install immediately. Mount the ISO to the VM's optical drive and set 2 or more CPU cores. This improves responsiveness. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and a 16 GB virtual disk. Formatted later, explain why. Android needs space for apps and cache. Once done, pick NAT or bridged networking based on whether you want internet or local LAN access. You now boot the VM from the ISO and choose Install so the system goes onto the virtual disk. When prompted, create a new partition and format it as ext4. This is reliable for Android X86. Install Grub to the virtual disk and allow the installer to make the system writable. This enables app installs and updates. If the build needs EFI, enable it in VM settings, otherwise use legacy BIOS. Once installed, remove the ISO from the virtual drive before the first reboot. You finish by booting into the installed Android X86 and walking through the setup wizard. Sign into accounts only when comfortable. To improve display and input, install guest editions or manually set a supported resolution in Virtualbox. This fixes scaling and pointer capture. If you hit boot failures, check the installer logs, try safe mode, or toggle EFI versus legacy BIOS. These changes often resolve kernel or grub issues. Finally, snapshot your working VM so you can revert quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.